परेड, खड़े होंगे, खड़े अप। परेड, विश्राम। परेड, सावधान। राष्ट्रध्वज को सलामी देंगे, सलामी दो। राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे, शुरू कर। हाथ नीचे। परेड, विश्राम। परेड, सावधान।
When we think, we speak to God. When we not, our soul becomes clear. To invoke the blessings of the Almighty, we now have a soulful prayer dance by our talented students. Let's welcome them to the stage.
Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly come on the stage and take your seats. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and the souls of its people. Words quoted by Mahatma Gandhi. A warm good morning to one and all present over here. It's my honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you to our Republic Day celebration today. As we gather in the spirit of joy and togetherness, I am delighted to share this special occasion with all of you. Today, we are truly fortunate to have the presence of our esteemed guests, who have kindly joined us to celebrate this prideful occasion. First and foremost, I would like to introduce our chief guest, Sister Dr. Antares. Sister Antares was the council of Vimala Province, Ernakulam, and has touched many lives through her compassionate counseling work. Now, by the grace of God, she has been elected as the Mission Superior of Avila Mission. Her wisdom and serene nature made her a beacon of guidance to those in need. She completed her studies in both Rome and Kerala and was the directress of VJRC in Kerala. She was awarded with a doctorate degree. Her ever-welcoming smile is a reflection of her kind and caring heart. I now invite Mrs. Sneha Shinde to extend a floral welcome to Sister Antares. Thank you, Sister, and thank you, Miss. It is also my pleasure to welcome our manager, Sister Pavitra. Sister Pavitra, with her approachable personality and ever-smiling face, has been the driving force behind the success of our school. Her deep spirituality and guidance inspire all of us to follow the right path. She completed her studies in Kerala and Maharashtra and is currently practicing as a junior advocate. We are also thrilled to know that Sister has been elected as the Provincial Councillor of Ernakulam Vimala Province, a well-deserved recognition of her dedication and hard work. May I now invite Ms. Anju to extend a floral welcome to Sister Pavitra. Thank you, Sister, and thank you, Miss. It is with great respect and admiration that I now welcome the cornerstone of our institution, our Principal, Sister Little Rose. Sister Little Rose's boundless energy, dedication, and passion for education continue to inspire us all. Her leadership is a constant source of motivation for both students and staff alike. May I now invite Ms. Sharon Montore to extend a floral welcome to Sister Little Rose. Thank you, Sister, and thank you, Miss. A very special welcome also goes to our dynamic chief coordinator, Mrs. Manisha Salvi, whose commitment and enthusiasm make everything possible behind the scenes. May I now invite Ms. Juliet Chettiar to extend a floral welcome to Manisha Miss. staff and enthusiastic students who are gathered here today to celebrate this event. Your presence and participation make this event even more special. The Constitution is not merely a lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Let us embrace this spirit today and come together as one big family, cherishing the progress of our country. May this celebration fill our hearts with happiness and unity. Since we live by the Spirit, let us keep in step with the spirit of togetherness. Once again, I welcome each and every one of you. Let's make this Republic Day celebration truly memorable and meaningful. I remain thank you.
Thank you, Sister Jose, for your kind words of welcome and setting a positive spirit for today's celebration. Democracy is not just a system. It's a celebration of freedom and equality for all. Every child is a different kind of flower, and together they can make this world a beautiful garden. Our youngest stars are here to spread joy and energy with their dance performance. Let's welcome our tiny toads to the stage. Words have the power to inspire, to motivate and to bring about change. Next we have Aradhya Sarve to share valuable information regarding the significance of Republic Day. Please welcome her to the stage. Good morning everyone, respected sisters, teachers and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day, the day when our Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. It is a very special day for every Indian. On this day, we remember the great leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, who worked hard to give us freedom and rights. They sacrificed their lives for our country. Our constitution gives us equality, freedom and justice. It also teaches us our duties and responsibilities as citizens. We must follow this principle and contribute to development of our nation. As young citizens, it is our duty to keep our country clean, united and progressive. We should work hard, help others, respect our nation, our flag and our culture. Together we can make India a very better place for everyone. Jai Hind, thank you.
Aradhya's words were so inspiring.
Yes, she truly reminded us of what was so important.
Thank you, Aradhya, for your insightful speech.
Republic Day reminds us of our responsibility in shaping the future of our country.
When the heart is full of pride, the soul dances to the rhythm of the nation.
Now get ready for wonderful patriotic dance performance that will fill your hearts with pride. Let's welcome the performance.
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi. My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nanduwar, I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nanduwar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Suprada, I'm from Kolkata. My name is Suprada, I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you.
My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Madhukara. My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Madhukara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rangati, I'm from Guwahati. My name is Rangati, I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you.
My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jaswinder, I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinder, I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is India, I'm from India. My name is India, I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
the life of values, patriotism and unity.
मसलाम जी।
हाँ जी।
ये क्या?
चिट्ठी है जी।
आप बताइए। चिट्ठी है तो मेरे चेहरे पर इतनी खुशी देखी?
नहीं जी।
ओए जवाना, मेरी छुट्टी सैंक्शन हो गई है, मैं घर जा रहा हूँ।
वैसे भी मेरे हाथ का बना हुआ खाना पूरे साल में एक ही बार तो खाना है।
भैया इस बार 2 राखी बनवा लो, पिछले वर्ष नवंबर में भी नहीं थे आप।
मेरी प्यारी सी बहन को मेरी उम्र लग जाए। अले अले अले, मेरी प्यारी गुड़िया।
हेलो मैडम, आपकी छुट्टी रद्द की गई है। आपको जल्द से जल्द सरहद पे रिपोर्ट करना होगा। यस सर। जय हिंद।
यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है कि तुझको आंधियां क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा। जो लक्ष्य है मेरा
भी जंग छिड़ सकती है। कारगिल से हमारे संवाददाता सोमलता टेगोर बने रही है हमारे साथ।
जंग का ऐलान हो चुका है। दुश्मन देश की तरफ से कभी भी गोलीबारी शुरू हो सकती है। सारी बटालियन अपनी पोजीशन पर पहुंचे। आई रिपीट, सारी बटालियन अपनी अपनी पोजीशन पर पहुंचे।
हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। हम घर से निकले थे बांध कर सर पे कफन, चाहते ही पर लिए लोग चले हैं ये कदम। जिंदगी तो अपनी महिमा मौत की महफिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
अरे देखो माँ जी, चलो उनसे मिलने चलते हैं। अरे देखो देखो, लगता है 10 दिन का काम 2 दिन में खत्म कर देगी। करेगी क्यों ना, कैप्टन बेटा जो आ रहा है अगले हफ्ते। अमृत के आते तक ये सारा घास का काम खत्म कर दूंगी, फिर सारा समय इसी के साथ तो बिताऊंगी। नहीं माँ जी, मैं मदद करूँ? अरे पार्वती बहन की खुशी तो देखो छिपाए नहीं छिप रही। कब आ रहे हैं अमृत भैया? कह रहे थे हमारी फौज ने दुश्मनों को खदेड़ दिया है, अब जल्द ही छुट्टी पर आएंगे। ठीक है पार्वती बहन, अब हम चलते हैं। जब भैया आएंगे तो हमें मिठाई खिलाना ना भूलना। अरे क्यों नहीं, पूरे गांव का मुंह मीठा कराएंगे। आखिर देश का बहादुर बेटा मेरा राजवाड़ा है। भाभी भाभी, फोन आ रहा है। हेलो हेलो, जी हाँ, मैं उनकी पत्नी बोल रही हूँ। हेलो, क्या? अरे क्या हुआ? अभी क्या हुआ? फोन कर दो। अरे कोई कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहा? जल्दी बताओ क्या हुआ भैया, क्या हुआ?
रंग के
इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझिए। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाना, गुल बन के मैं खिल जाना, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Wow, what a powerful performance. It really made me think about the values we must hold as a citizen of India. It was an impactful speech. Thank you to our wonderful performers for such a thought-provoking speech. Now I hand over the charge to Marian.
Every celebration leaves us with a thought reporter. Now I take a great pleasure in inviting Sister Anne Therese to deliver her inspiring message on the special event of Republic Day. With her words of wisdom, let us set tone for today's celebration and reflect on the significance of this day. Please welcome Sister Anne Therese with a huge round of applause.
Good morning to everyone present here on the auspicious occasion. I think there is no words to say any message no more, because the skit that done already moved our hearts and communicated the meaning in a heartfelt way in this day. In a special way, I would like to congratulate the staff, the non-teaching staff, and all the students who have performed this wonderful skit, and all those who helped them to make this day in a memorable day. We are gathered here to celebrate a momentous occasion to our nation's history, the 76th Republic Day of India. On this day, January 26th, in 1950, our nation adopted its constitution, paving the way for democratic republic. As we celebrate this milestone, we honor the vision and toil of our founding fathers who tirelessly worked to shape a nation that is sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic. Our constitution ensures that every citizen has the right to freedom, equality, and dignity. We celebrate our differences and strive for unity and harmony. On this Republic Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to upholding the principles of our Constitution. Let us work together to build a nation that is just, equitable, and prosperous for all. The spirit of unity and diversity should be our guiding light. As we celebrate the Republic Day, let us pay tribute to our brave soldiers who have made the ultimate sacrifice to protect our nation. As we move forward, let us strive to create a bright future where every citizen can live with proud, dignity and happiness. Long live Republic Day, Jai Hind Maharashtra. Once again I congratulate each and everyone. A special thanks to all the participants or parents who brought your children in early morning and you come to give a salute to our flag. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the meaning of the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Ankares, for your words of wisdom and for leaving us with such a meaningful message. Now I request all the dignitaries to please be on the stage for the prize distribution ceremony.
Let's begin the prize distribution ceremony. Now I hand over the charge to Julia Chettiar, Miss.
Good morning to one and all present here. As we have gathered here to celebrate the spirit of our nation on this glorious Republic Day, it is also a moment to honor and recognize the outstanding achievements of our students who have excelled in academic as well as sports. Today, we proudly celebrate not only our country's progress, but also the dedication, talent, and hard work of our achievers. It is rightly said, winning isn't everything, but the effort to win is. It is with immense pride and joy that I now recognize a remarkable movement in the field of academic excellence. Bhugol Pradnya Shodh Kendra organized state-level geography talent search exam. This exam was conducted in our school on 2nd December 2025. Ms. Tanaya Uttam Gosavi from class 7 has made us all proud by securing prestigious silver medal in the Bhugol Pradnya Shodh Kendra competition. This achievement reflects her hard work, focus and passion for learning. I call upon Ms. Tanaya Gosavi to please be on the stage. I now request Superior Sister Anne Perez to present the prestigious silver medal and certificate to Ms. Tanaya Gosavi. Please give a big round of applause. Of our Carmel Convent High School. Our school have been honored with an appreciation certificate by the Bhugol Pradnya Shodh Kendra for our outstanding efforts in organizing and conducting their examination. With great reverence, I request Sister Anne Perez and Sister Pavitra to kindly come forward and present this prestigious certificate of appreciation to our beloved Principal Sister Little Rose. It is also important to acknowledge the subject coordinator of the Bhugol Pradnya Shodh exam, Hamida Miss, the person who played a key role in conducting this exam. I request Honorable Manager Sister Pavitra to kindly present the certificate to Ms. Hamida. Now it's time to announce the incredible achievement of a talented student, Samarth Bingadwe from Standard 7C, who who have emerged victorious in state-level football match and have been selected for the national level. His hard work, dedication have not only brought glory to him, but has also made our school proud. Let us give him a huge round of applause as he comes forward to receive his medal. With great joy, I request Sister Andres and Sister Pavitra to kindly present the medal.
Republic Day program. Thank you everyone for joining us today and celebrating the pride of our nation. And we're wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. As we conclude this wonderful celebration, let's take a moment to express our gratitude. I invite Mrs. Mokushi Chavan to deliver the vote of thanks.
Nation of dreams, a land of the free, a heritage so rich, a future to see. This Republic Day, let's rise and embrace unity and love for every race. A very good morning to one and all present here. Guest of the day, Mission Superior, respected Sister Anne Harris, Honorable Manager, Reverend Sister Pavitra, our esteemed Principal, Sister Little Rose, Chief Coordinator, Mrs. Manisha Salvi, teaching, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear students. As we come to the close of this wonderful Republic Day celebration, it is my honor and privilege to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have made this event a success. First and foremost, I express my deep gratitude to our Mission Superior, respected Sister Anne Harris, for gracing this occasion with your inspiring words and presence. Your thoughts have truly enlightened us about the spirit of the Republic and reminded us of our duties as citizens of this great nation. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Manager, Reverend Sister Pavitra, for her constant support and invaluable contributions to the growth of our institution. Your dedication and commitment to fostering an environment of excellence and patriotism have made this event possible. Thank you, Sister. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our esteemed Principal, Sister Little Rose, for her unwavering guidance, encouragement, and support. Your vision and leadership have been instrumental in making this event a grand success. Thank you for always motivating us to uphold the values of our Constitution and work towards building a better future for our nation. I also thank Chief Coordinator Mrs. Manisha Salvi for always guiding and motivating us to aim higher. A big thank you to the teachers, non-teaching staff whose hard work and dedication made this event possible. Your meticulous planning and execution deserve the highest praise. To our students and participants, your efforts in showcasing the rich culture and history of India have been both moving and inspiring. You reminded us why we feel proud to call India our home. Last but not least, a heartfelt thank you to all the parents and attendees for taking the time to celebrate their significant day with us. Your presence truly added to the patriotic spirit of the occasion. As we leave today, let us remember the sacrifices of those who made this republic possible and pledge to work towards the progress and unity of our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.